You are gonna hear me talk about this foundation a lot because it's one of my absolute favorites in my kit and in my personal life. The Phyto-Teint Ultra Eclat. Eclat actually means radiance, and this formula has an ingredient in it that helps your skin boost its own radiance. As a makeup artist, what I really love about it is its buildable medium coverage. The finish on it is a combination of silky and velvety, if that's even possible, and you really don't need to powder it. It looks amazing by itself, amazing on camera. And when you see this foundation in sunlight, the thing that I think really surprised me about it was that you don't see foundation, you just see glowing skin. This really is my favorite foundation. I don't know if I told you, but last time we were shooting a tutorial, I used this product behind the scenes and none of us in the studio could get over. I did half of her face with it, really, really lightly applied, like barely anything. And even the model was like, I've never seen my skin like this. It is really an incredible product. And as you know, I'm a terrible liar, so.